We're joined now by meteorologist Theo Cook. And Theo, while we may not have tornadoes coming through the area, thankfully, it does seem like we have quite a bit of weather to expect in the next week.
Yeah, absolutely. We were talking about a roller coaster ride all through this morning. And it's not just a temperature roller coaster ride. We're talking about rain roller coaster ride and just all sorts of weather, pretty much every kind of season packed into the next 7 days. We are dealing with at least a little bit of rain, even a few storms as we head into this afternoon. Trying to see a few peaks of sun, but overall mainly cloudy skies will persist through the day. 67 in Oak Ridge to 65 in Spring City, 67 Tellico Plains, 66 in the Barberville area. Starting to see that rain really blossom up. Similar area still as it has been the last several hours from Spring City, Dayton, over to Loudoun, Madisonville, and then Blount in Sevier County, but we'll continue to see that lift off to the north and also spread a little bit and even intensify as we continue to warm at least a few degrees. So let's time it out. Through about 12 o'clock, it'll really just remain those light showers, sprinkles for some of us. But 2, 3 o'clock, maybe a few rumbles from the Crossville area, Wartburg, Caryville, moving off and towards the Smokies as well. Here's 6 o'clock. I think that's when we could see some of the strongest rumbles. And then by 9, 10 o'clock, mainly moving off into Sevier, Cocke, and Greene County up towards the Tri-Cities. By about midnight, we should all be dry and clearing out pretty quickly as well. That, along with the added moisture from whoever sees rain, should give us an opportunity to see some fog, even as low as 45 in Barberville, 52 Loudoun to 54 in Monroe County. So pretty widespread fog from future visibility here. 0-mile visibility across much of the valley along the I-75 corridor with that moisture in place, and especially if we clear out the skies pretty quickly this evening. Up to 80 degrees though tomorrow, so any fog that's out there quickly clears tomorrow morning. 78 for High Morristown to Dandridge, 80 in Wartburg to 76 in the Crossville area. Pretty much copy paste for Monday, but we will see that southerly breeze return. 83 Maynardville to Barberville. And we do have to talk about some strong to potentially severe storms. So possible in the Nashville area up and towards Lexington, but likely where you see the orange there, it's level 3 out of 5 risk. We're going to be watching this complex very closely. Where I have it circled, that broken line, that's going to be falling apart, should be weakening, not expecting much of any severe weather right now. We do technically have that green shading, that level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk, and it's really going to just be for wind. 40, 50 plus mile an hour wind gusts. Definitely possible, but severe is considered 58. So not expecting that at least as of now, but we'll continue to keep an eye on it. That's those chances early Tuesday, really right around daybreak. So going to be a messy morning commute. Another messy morning commute looks likely Wednesday morning. Then we continue at least some limited rain chances Thursday and Friday. Friday, rain chances, not really with a low pressure system, but it's with more of a cold front moving in from the north, which means a slight to even a moderate opportunity for some well below average temperatures. What's below average by Friday? It's going to be 76. We might be well below that. Talking about highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s this time next week. And average high right now is 74, and we're pretty close to that today. We're right back above average by almost 10 degrees tomorrow and Monday. Those are really the 2 picks of the week as we're dry before we see several more opportunities for rain later this week, Naomi.
All right, thank you, Theo.